I woke up this morning and randomly I saw a spike in views with one of the first videos I ever published. Now, this is 3 months ago. It was on the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling with NVIDIA's 450.12 beta driver. Then I find out NVIDIA publicly released the hardware accelerated GPU driver. So today is June 24th. You fast forward 3 months. As of this recording, it's NVIDIA's 451.48 driver. So the first thing I ask myself, what's new? Next, what's fixed? And last, where's the performance? You might have same questions, you might have different ones. Maybe I might be able to answer them. So let's go through this. If you're new to the channel and into tech or gaming, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Can you enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling? It's a two-part answer. 1, you need Windows 10 2004 update or later. And 2, the driver must use Microsoft's latest WDDM driver, specifically 2.7 as of this recording. There's no ors, it's only ands. That's the requirement. So it's not specific to any GPU manufacturer like NVIDIA. It is a benefit of DirectX 12 Ultimate, which was introduced with the Windows 10 2004 update. So you gotta have both to enable the option. But it's not always pretty updating a driver. There could be issues. And that's why this video is going to go through the summarized release notes, how to get the driver, and if you wanted the standard driver instead of the DCH driver, we'll touch on that. With this driver release in version 451.48, there are some important features. We're going to scroll down through the release notes, and as we do that, we're going to see the very first thing that pops out, DirectX 12 Ultimate Graphics API. That's good for gamers and productivity users. It includes DirectX ray tracing version 1.1 as well as game shaders or graphic shaders. It also includes hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, which is important for the Windows 10 May 2020 update or Windows 10 2004. It also adds Vulkan 1.2, hardware accelerated GPU scheduling as we mentioned, CUDA 11. That may not be important to you, but it will be important for developers. As we scroll down, some profile updates for SLIs have been updated and added. Now, let's just scroll up a little bit more and go to page 9 of the document. So we're going to go down to changes and fixed issues in version 451.48. So there's some game fixes, which is good for gamers, right? Game fixes are good, especially the one that says G-Sync does not work with DirectX 9 games if disabled full screen optimizations. Very important. Now, as we scroll down, there are some issues with this driver you may encounter, specifically with Modern Warfare and Warzone for those that play competitive FPS games, or if you just play FPS games in general. So there's some issues, it's good to take a note. I don't know if these are edge cases, but just be aware of them. And there's a multi-GPU issue with SLI and G-Sync enabled. Outside of that, there's nothing too out of the ordinary with a major update. It's actually, on the surface, it seems pretty quiet. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the NVIDIA forum. I'll post a link in the video description, but as we go through this here, it's a feedback forum. So people have posted the issues, and there's the app issues or the game issues, game driver issues that we talked about earlier. And people are running into some issues, right? I don't see anything that's uniquely across the board at the moment, but with any new driver, your mileage may vary. It's not all roses. There are some thorns as you go through the bushes. Now, if you want the standard driver, instead of clicking on the download link and saving it like most people would, you can right-click on the download link, copy it, paste it in, and when you do that, remove the -DCH, and then you can save it. Why do people want this driver? Because they don't want any link to the Microsoft Store. That's basically the gist of it. Once you have the NVIDIA 451.48 driver, all you need to do is right-click on the desktop, go to Display Settings, scroll down to Graphics Settings, and then you should see an option for Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. It's normally off. If you turn it on, it'll state that you'll need to reboot. Just make sure you do that, reboot, come back, and you should be good to go. As a quick reminder, The hardware accelerated GPU driver allows the video card to make decisions instead of the operating system. That way it can prioritize games faster and therefore has less latency. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now here's a couple videos you might want to take a look at. With that being said, guys, have a good one, and we'll see you later.